Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out destination or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here. When you just click on settings here, it's going to take you to settings here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you just click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on voice control, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, click here on setup voice control, and you just click on continue here. Then you click here on done. So then automatically it's going to sit with you on your iPhone. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.